for your life, your results, your success and your failures. A strong mind is built with learning new things every day on topics that expand your mind and develop your skills. Growth is the key to life. If you are growing and challenging yourself every day, you'll lead a happy life. If you're not, you will suffer. The mind is like a muscle. It gets stronger when you embrace challenges, when you push it to its limits, when you learn what works and apply that to your life. A strong mind is one that surrounds itself with the right people. A strong mind does not let opinions alter its course in life. It follows its own path no matter what. A strong mind is one that visualizes success and is prepared to work to make that picture come to life. A strong mind does not let fear get in the way of success. Strong mind, strong life.
Zig Ziglar once said, if you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. If you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. Live your life with that determination to learn every single day, and no one will stop you.
Is a new opportunity to be better, to make better choices, which will in time make for a better life. Every day is a new opportunity to take responsibility for our actions, to ask honestly, can I do better? That argument I had with my friend or partner, can I do better? It doesn't matter if they were right or wrong. It doesn't matter if I even like the person or not. Can I do better? Did the negative energy that I put out take me closer to or further away from who I want to be? How have I been feeding my body? Can I do better? Regardless of how hard it is, regardless of my lack of time, what can I do better? What can I do better to ensure I am functioning at my highest level every day? What about my financial results? Can I do better? No more excuses. It's not my boss's fault I'm not rich. I am where I am because of my decisions. Can I do better? Yes, I can. Will I find out how I can do better? Yes, I will. Starting when? Starting right now. What about my happiness? Can I do better? Yes, because it doesn't matter what happens around me. There's only one person that decides what happens within me, and that is me. I decide how I react to every circumstance. I decide how I react to other people. Therefore, I am always in control of my feelings, my emotions, my life.